Hey guys, so I am going to be filming a Valentine's look. I just got an idea and feel like I'm gonna do it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's Valentine's, so of course I gotta come out with a cute Valentine's look. I have on this really cute top that I want to match my makeup look with, so we're gonna see how this look turns out. What I plan to do is put hearts on my eyelids and maybe like some hearts on my face as well, and just do like a little creative makeup tutorial. I went ahead and did the base of my face, so I contoured, baked, applied my foundation, got my face set up. So now we're gonna just focus on eyes, lips, and whatever other designs I come up with. So let's do this. So I'll be using a few different eyeshadow brushes. I'll be playing around with them just to see what can do what I want. Like, I'm gonna need smaller brushes for more detail and bigger brushes to cover the whole eyelid. So yes, have your eyeshadow brushes ready for this tutorial. So what I wanna do is, I got the idea to I wanna do red hearts on my eyelids. So I'm going to use these stickers to help me get the look. So I'm gonna be using little heart stickers, and I'm not gonna actually be leaving the stickers on, but I just want the outline of the sticker. So you guys will see as I work through this tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get a base shade on my eyelid. And for the base shade, I just wanna do an overall like brownish, deep brownish color. So I'm gonna be using this reddish brownish tone and just covering my eyelid with it. So now that I have the base color down, I'm gonna take my NYX eyeshadow primer and prime just my eyelid. So just the eyelid, not anything above it. Alright, so I'm going to take my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be using the deep red. Instead, I'm going to do hearts on my cheeks instead of on my eyelids, because I don't have enough eyelid space for that. But, you know, that's what happens when I do videos. I just kind of come on here and do my thing, and then if it doesn't work out, I adjust and figure out a new plan. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to finish up this eyeshadow look, add a little bit of glitter, and be done with the eyelids. And then I'll get into the cheek hearts, heart cheeks, whatever you call them. Alright, so I'm going to use this Glitterily Obsessed body glitter, and this is the color Starfire. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and put it in my inner corners. Alright, so now I'm going to apply eyeliner, and I have not done eyeliner in a long time, so we will see. I'm going to attempt to do a wing liner. Alright, so my eyes are done. I got my wing liner, my eyeliner, I have my eyeshadow done, and now I'm just going to do my bottom lashes. Actually, what I'm going to do is put on bottom liner, black liner, and then I'm going to do my bottom lashes. All right. So pretty. All right, let's get into these cheeks. That did not come out right. For my cheeks, I don't know if I should do 2 big hearts and do the outline, or if I should do smaller hearts. So I'm going to be using my blush to create the color, but it's going to be the outline of the hearts that I have. So I do have these bigger heart stickers, and I also have these smaller hearts. So I think what I'm gonna do, I don't know. My Valentine. Yeah. All right. And I am going to be using my Colourpop blush color Shortcake, and it's this really pretty bright pink. And I'm also just going to be mixing it with some deeper pinks from my Strawberry Shake palette. So I will be using the reddish color, the bright pink, and just making sure I have a really good outline of the heart before I take the stickers off. Now, of course, you're not going to wear this on a date, but this is more so just like self-expression, creativity, art, makeup, just something fun to do. You could wear it on a date, girl. Go ahead and rock them hearts so you know what you about, period. But for me, this is just me, you know, playing in my makeup. I love to play in my makeup and try new things that I've never tried before. And this is definitely a challenge for me, especially being a very brown, darker female. So just seeing how this is gonna work on my skin. But yeah. Alright, so I have my face hearts, and they look funny to me. Like, it looks like I have like sores on my face. I guess that's what happens when you do red hearts. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip and finish this look. Since there is already so much going on with my face, I'm just gonna pair this with a regular gloss. How pretty is that? And then I'm gonna put this shimmer on top. And this is my final look. So I definitely think this was a lot easier than trying to put the hearts on my eyelids. I don't have enough eyelid space for that, so this was my second option. And it came out really good, even though I feel like it looks like sores on my face, but at least I know that I can get the outline of the hearts if I tried. And honestly, I'm pleased. My face is beat. I'm still cute. So I'm gonna go take some pictures. Thank you guys for tuning into this really easy tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I want to see y'all's hearts, y'all face hearts. So just DM me, message me, let me see what you guys come up with, and thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope this was a really cute, easy look that you can achieve on Valentine's Day.